At this very moment, Earth is moving at speeds beyond comprehension. It spins around its axis at more than 1,600 kilometers per hour near the equator. It orbits the Sun at roughly 30 kilometers per second. The Sun itself is racing around the center of the Milky Way at nearly 230 kilometers per second, while our galaxy drifts through intergalactic space at even greater velocities. And yet, as you sit, breathe, or walk on Earth's surface, you feel perfectly still. There is no rushing wind propelling you backward, no vibration shaking your bones, no sense that the ground beneath your feet is fleeing through the cosmos. How can this be? The answer lies in balance, in uniformity, and in the subtle laws of physics that govern motion. The universe, in its complexity, hides movement in plain sight. Motion is not absolute. It is always relative. This simple truth, articulated centuries ago by Galileo, revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Galileo imagined a ship sailing smoothly across a calm sea. Inside the ship, he reasoned, one could drop objects, pour water, or walk across the deck, and nothing would betray the fact that the ship was moving. Motion, in and of itself, produces no sensation. Only changes in motion, accelerations, jolts, or vibrations reveal themselves to our senses. And Earth, like Galileo's hypothetical ship, moves so smoothly that our senses have no reference to detect it. Our bodies, too, are designed to detect change, not uniform motion. Our inner ears sense acceleration. Our muscles react to shifts in gravitational force. Our eyes register relative movement between objects. When the entire planet is moving together, ground, air, oceans, and all living beings, the signals cancel out. Everything moves in harmony. There is no differential for your brain to interpret. You are part of Earth's frame of reference, and thus you perceive yourself as still. Gravity reinforces this illusion. The pull that keeps you anchored to the Earth is the same pull that guides the oceans, the atmosphere, and even tectonic plates. We are all falling together around the Sun, circling it in a perpetual orbit that lasts 365 days. Because the acceleration required to maintain this orbit is gentle, distributed over millions of kilometers, your body cannot perceive it. Earth is, in essence, in constant free fall, falling toward the Sun, but missing it, forever spiraling through space. And since every object on Earth shares this motion, the sensation of falling disappears. Even Earth's rotation, which produces slight centrifugal forces, is largely imperceptible. At the equator, this outward pull reduces your weight by less than 1%. Your inner ear cannot detect such a subtle, constant force. The Earth spins, but you are not being thrown off, nor is the atmosphere being left behind. The air moves with you. The oceans move with you. Mountains, trees, cities, all move in unison. Motion becomes invisible because it is uniform. The realization that motion could exist without sensation is centuries old. Galileo's experiments with pendulums and rolling balls on ships demonstrated that the laws of physics operate the same in moving and stationary frames. Isaac Newton later formalized these ideas with his laws of motion, showing that objects in motion remain in motion unless acted upon by an external force. These principles govern Earth itself. We move through the galaxy, yet there is no cosmic wind pushing against us. The vacuum of space provides no friction, no drag, no resistance to betray our velocity. Speed, in the emptiness of space, becomes invisible to the senses. Einstein would later deepen this understanding with the theory of relativity. Motion is relative, and there is no absolute frame of reference. You cannot step outside the universe and measure your speed. All you can do is measure motion relative to other objects. Earth may hurtle through space at unimaginable speeds, yet in your local frame, you feel as if you are at rest. Earth's orbit around the Sun is not a perfect circle, but a delicate curve dictated by the gravitational dance between planets, the Sun, and other celestial bodies. To maintain this orbit, Earth must continually accelerate toward the Sun. Yet this acceleration is spread over such immense distances and durations that it is imperceptible. Every second, Earth falls toward the Sun, but also moves forward fast enough to miss it. This is why satellites in orbit, astronauts aboard the International Space Station, and Earth itself all experience free fall. Weightlessness in space is not the absence of gravity. It is the perfect matching of motion with gravitational pull. Earth's surface may feel solid, but in the cosmic sense, we are in constant, gentle motion. Even subtle effects from motion are erased by the Earth's air and oceans. The atmosphere rotates with the planet, dragged along by friction and gravity. There is no supersonic eastward wind at the equator because the air moves with the planet. Were the atmosphere stationary, Earth's rotation would create winds devastating enough to sweep continents. Similarly, oceans rotate with the planet. Their currents are driven by tides, wind, and temperature, not by the planet's movement itself. Motion is imperceptible because everything moves together. Earth's local motion is staggering. Orbiting the Sun is fast enough, but the solar system itself speeds around the center of the Milky Way at roughly 230 kilometers per second. Yet this galactic motion remains undetectable. Space offers no friction. The stars themselves act as distant, nearly fixed points of light. Only precise instruments, gyroscopes, astronomical observations, radio waves, can measure this speed. To human senses, galactic motion is irrelevant. The universe is moving around us, yet life on Earth continues without perceivable disturbance. This reveals a profound truth about perception and reality. The universe hides its motions from us when they are smooth, uniform, and consistent. Stillness is an illusion created by stability. Motion is only apparent when contrast exists: acceleration, turbulence, difference. We perceive rest, not because it is absolute, but because the planet and everything on it forms a perfectly synchronized system. Our daily lives unfold as if the cosmos itself is at peace, when in fact we are riding a planet traveling faster than any vehicle humanity has ever built. Consider the existential implications. The universe is vast, dynamic, and almost inconceivably fast. Yet human life experiences it as serene, static, and safe. The very structure of physics conspires to make immense motion invisible, hiding the scale of reality from our senses. Our minds are calibrated for survival, not cosmic awareness. We feel stability, yet orbit a glowing star, surrounded by countless objects hurtling through space, all bound by gravity, all following the invisible choreography of celestial mechanics. Astronauts, orbiting above Earth, experience this differently. In orbit, they see the planet rotating beneath them, the curvature of the horizon, the thin layer of atmosphere, the endless night and day cycles. They sense motion not directly, but through observation. From space, speed is apparent. From Earth, speed is hidden. The difference between perception and reality is striking. One cannot sense the motion that sustains all life. And yet, this motion is what keeps seasons regular, climates predictable, and the balance of ecosystems intact. The universe teaches us a subtle lesson. Motion does not need to be felt to exist. Speed does not need to be perceived to influence life. The Earth is a ship sailing through an infinite cosmic ocean, and our senses are blind to the very currents that carry us. Our experience of stability, tranquility, and stillness is the greatest cosmic illusion. Though humans cannot feel Earth's movement, we can detect it. Foucault's pendulum, spinning and slowly precessing, reveals the planet's rotation. Astronomical parallax shows Earth orbiting the Sun. Doppler shifts in light from stars confirm the motion of the solar system through the galaxy. Satellite gyroscopes track minute changes in orientation. Global positioning systems rely on relativistic corrections for Earth's motion to provide accurate navigation. Every piece of evidence confirms that, though imperceptible, Earth is constantly in motion on scales that dwarf human intuition.